This is for any Etsy seller out there that has noticed some items missing from their shop. Well, I'm relatively new to the business. So when I saw that that my products were gone, all but one in my Etsy shop, I freaked out. So I immediately contacted Printify because that's where they originate from. I didn't see my products listed on Printify either. So after an email exchange with the customer service folks at Printify, they had told me that my products were in fact there. So I went back and looked on my Printify account. They weren't there, but they said my logged in incorrectly. So basically, what I did was I actually went to Etsy and I took their word for it that the products are still on Printify. I went to Etsy and of course my products weren't there. So I happened to look something up on Google, and all that was wrong was I simply needed to just reactivate my products. Now, this may be simple for some of these seasoned folks out there, but if you're like me and all of a sudden your products are gone, it's just a simple act of reactivating your listings, and it's like $1.20 or something like that. But in any case, hope this video helps, and thank you for listening.